I'm back here with my another video, and I have a slime package right here, and I buy 4 slimes and from Crush Slime online. So here's the letter of it. It says Crush Slime, and it says thank you for buying our stuff from Crush Slime, and I buy Surprise Toy Slime, Sand Slime, Elastic Slime, Barrels, Jiggly Slime. So that's what I buy, and let's see what I got. So first thing, it says and this is, I think this is the slime with toy. Yeah, this is the toy slime. Okay, here's the slime, gray slime. I ordered the color with gray. Oh no, it's a Lego. So it's a little girl right there. So I think let's put it back right there. So sticky. So let's put it back. And next is the sand slime. Just wait! Okay, and this is the sand slime, I think, because it says sand slime. Okay. Oh, it's sticky. Yeah, it's sandy, it's funky. It's really funky and sticky. It has really. And let's put it, and thank you for this. Crush slime. So I think this is the elastic slime. Yeah, it's elastic slime. I ordered all colors gray because I love gray. And here is the elastic of it. Elastic. Yeah, it's the elastic slime. And thank you for this either. And the last one is the barrel slime. Oh no, this is jiggly slime. This is really jiggle. Oh no, really jiggle. Yeah, that's for it. It's really jiggle. You can see it. And I will show you all the slimes that I have. So first is this slime. It has a little girl Lego. Can you see it? Okay, that's the Surprise Toy Slime. I hope they have all my favorites here. And next was this plastic slime. I ordered gray color. It's fighting. Can you hear it? It's really fighting. And next is this. Oh, it has a little owl. I didn't see that. So here is it. And I loved it. They don't have extras. I like when they have extras. And I love this Crush Slime. And thank you, Crush Slime, for this either. Oh, I ordered it. And this is the Surprise Toy Slime is $4. The sand slime is $15. And the elastic slime was $10. The barrel jiggly slime is $1.